So use the equation to show that this graph should produce a straight line graph. Use the equation to show that this graph should produce a straight line graph. This is the equation that was given to us. And they say we should use this equation to show that the graph can produce a straight line graph. Normally, this is a quadratic expression or equation. This is a quadratic equation. Normally, this is supposed to produce a curve. The graph should be a curve, just like the quadratic graph we used to know. But then this question, they said that we should make it to be a straight line graph. So I will start by making the coefficient of t 1. But then it's a fraction. The first thing I have to do is to clear this fraction. I will multiply both sides by 2. Multiply through by 2. So I have 2s equal to 2ut plus 8t squared. Remember, if I multiply this one by 2, 2 will cancel 2, we have 8t squared. That is the first step. My next step is make the coefficient of t squared to be 1. How do I achieve that? By dividing through by a. So I have 2s over a equal to 2ut over a plus t squared. I've divided everything by a. So let me make this equation look like the normal equation you know. This is t squared plus 2ut over a is equal to 2s over a. At this point, we have made this to look like a normal quadratic equation, whereby this is a constant, 2s over a is a constant, and 2u over a is the coefficient of t, and 1 is the coefficient of t squared. So according to, we have to complete the square by adding half of 2u over a divided by 2. That is making the coefficient of t. The coefficient of t is 2u over a. I will half it and square the result. So if I cancel this, this becomes u square over a square. I'm going to add this u square over a square to both sides to complete the square. I'm going to say t square plus 2u over a, 2ut over a plus u over a is the same thing, is given as 2s over a plus u square over a square. Now that I have done this, I will go straight to factorize this side. I'm going to factorize this side. Factorize left hand side and then simplify right hand side. This is a perfect square now because we completed the square. To factorize a perfect square, we have t plus u over a all squared equal to. If I want to factorize this side, if I want to simplify this, I know that the LCM is a square. Then the answer is going to be 2as plus u square. At this point, I have to be smart because I want my equation to be in a straight line equation. that means I have to make some decision in order to break them down to make them simple equation, or to make them a straight line equation. Therefore, I'm going to say that a square t plus u over a square is equal to 2as plus u square. I'm going to say let y be 2as plus u square, and also let x be t plus u over a. So in that case, I'll have y equal to x squared a square. They are still quadratic. I have to bring in logarithms. I have to use log to break them down. Now I'm going to say taking log of both sides, I'll have log y equal to log xa squared. Now I'll have log y equal to 2 log xa. I can go further by saying log y is equal to 2 log x plus log a. This is the straight line equation.